Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to add snow to an image in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, click on the New Adjustment Layer button and choose Solid Color. Pick black and then click OK. Right-click on this layer and convert to Smart Object so we can modify it non-destructively. I'm also going to change the name of this layer to Snow in Foreground. Click on Filter in the top menu and choose Add Noise from the Noise dropdown. With Gaussian and Monochromatic selected, I'm going to choose an amount of 20% and then click OK. Click on Filter and this time choose Crystallize from the Pixelate menu. For cell size, I'm going to choose a value of 80 and then click OK. Let's add one more filter. This time we're going to select Motion Blur under Blur dropdown. For angle, I'm going to select -85, and for distance, I'm going to select 100 pixels. Now change the blend mode of this layer to screen. Remember, screen ignores black, so the snow in our foreground should blend in nicely with our background image. Next, choose Curves from the New Adjustment menu. Click on the Clip button to restrict our changes just to the snow layer. To increase the contrast, bring the Curves line up a bit in the Highlights area and down a bit in the Shadows area. Next, duplicate the Snow in Foreground layer and rename it to Snow in Background. This will add some depth of field effect to our image. Double-click on the Add Noise Smart Filter and increase the amount to 25%. Now double-click on the Crystallize Smart Filter and decrease the cell size to 60, since we want our snow to be smaller in size in the background. To adjust the contrast of the snow in the background, add a new Curves adjustment layer and click on the Clip button. Now play around with the Curves line to adjust the contrast of the snow in background to your liking. To prevent the background snow from appearing in front of the model, click on the Background Copy layer and choose Quick Selection tool from the left menu, and then hit Select Subject. With an active marching ant selection, select the Snow in Background layer and then click on the Add Layer Mask button. Remember, in the context of layer mask, white reveals and black conceals. Use the Command or Control-I shortcut to invert the layer mask. This should prevent the background snow from appearing in front of the model. To adjust the contrast of the overall image, I'm going to add one last Curves adjustment layer. I'm going to bring the Curves line up a bit in the Highlights area and down a bit in the Shadows area. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.